Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How to find your life's purpose. So the title might sound really spiritual, but it's not so, guys. We all know that each one of us is unique and we are actually born with set of unique skills and talents, and we are meant to use them in our everyday lives to lead a beautiful and a meaningful life. But how many of us are actually using our unique skill sets in our everyday lives? Not many of us, right? Like right from choosing our education to actually ending up in a job, we make all our decisions based on what is trending in the community. We just ride on the storm and decide it based on what we are told to do, so instead of actually listening to our own heart, instead of actually looking at our own skill sets and deciding what we are really good at. So guys, if you are actually someone looking for your passion, looking to figure out what you really want to do with your lives, then do watch this video till the very end, and also don't forget to write down your thoughts in the comments below. So guys, before we actually get into the details, I really want to tell a very small story here. So there's a small village in Japan called Okinawa, and the people in there live long lives than the usual. When I say long lives, it's not like 70s and 80s guys. The people in there really live a lot longer than that. There are a lot of people there who live who are more than 100 years old, and even at that age they are really healthy, they're very happy, and they're very excited about their lives. So initially researchers thought maybe this is because of the food and the lifestyle that they follow, but eventually they came to know that every single person living in that village had something called an Ikigai. So Ikigai actually means the reason for being. So the reason for being on this planet. So the reason for actually living our own lives. So every single person in that village had their own purpose of life, and that's what actually kept them going. That's what actually kept them healthy and excited throughout their life. So guys, now let's look at what's an Ikigai. A proper Ikigai has to follow these 4 steps. It has to be your passion. You have to have the necessary skills to actually pursue that passion. And then it has to be something that you can be valued for. Like people are really in need of something of that sort, and they would be really willing to pay you for it, right? And then above all, it has to be something that the world needs. It has to really have like a very good positive impact on the society. So guys, if the things that you love actually passes through all these 4 steps, then you're spot on your life's purpose. Okay guys, now let's do this exercise to figure out your life's purpose. Please take a pen and a paper, close your eyes for a minute and just think about yourself, just yourself. Close your eyes and think about yourself. So try to get as much candid as possible in answering all these questions, so that will really help you to figure out your life's purpose. So the first question, write down the things that you really love to do. So these are the things that you actually love to do every single day. Like we all have those things when we start working on those, we completely forget the time that has passed. Like our brain goes into a flow state and we totally forget what's happening around us, right? So write down those things that you really love to do in a flow state. So the second question, what are you good at? So these are really the things that you are good at. These are the things that you have the skills for. Maybe you like photography and you might have the necessary skills to take really good photographs. Then when you really have the skills to do the things that you really love to do, then that becomes your passion. Actually, in this time and age, even if you really don't have the skills to pursue the things that you love to do, that's totally fine. Like we all have like a lot of resources available online, so you can always go back, upgrade yourselves, and then come back to do the things that you really love to do and convert it into your passion. So the third question, what can you be paid for? Now we have identified your passion, And if your passion is something that can be valued and you can be paid for it, then obviously that becomes your profession. So let's take the example of this photographer guy. So he loves to take photographs, it's his passion, and he has necessary skills to do it, and he's really good at it. And if someone is looking to do a photo shoot, then he gets to do it, and obviously he'll be getting paid for it. So then his passion is actually becoming his profession. Isn't it great? And the fourth question, what the world needs. So now you have your passion and you are able to convert your passion into your profession. And if this profession is something that has really, very good impact on the world, it can be valued and it has a positive impact on the community that we are living in, then that's your Ikigai, guys. Your Ikigai is complete only if it goes through this step, only if it's something that the world needs. Finding your Ikigai is not just about finding your career, guys. It's much more than that. It's actually about finding your life's purpose. It's actually, finding the reason for you being on this earth. So obviously, doing this exercise will help you figure out the things that you really love to do, and you can make your career decisions accordingly. And you can always align your career decisions in such a way that it aligns with your life's purpose. I have made a printable document for this exercise. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. So please feel free to use it and then just let me know how it worked for you. Honestly, guys, I really feel that I should have done this sometime when I was about to, make my career decision, but it's never too late. If you are a student or if you know someone who's actually at the juncture of making their career decision, guys, please ask them to do this exercise once before they actually make that big decision in life. This will definitely help them, figure out what they really want to do with their lives, and eventually, align your career with your life's purpose. So guys, if you really love this video and if you would love to see more such videos, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. So I'll come back with another interesting video very soon, and until then, be cheerful, be happy, and take care. Bye bye.